everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we're going to make something fantastic. We're going to make Rexy's potato casserole. I saw this video of this potato bake the other day and was absolutely blown away with how delicious it was. And I discovered a new cooking channel. It's called Cooking With Rexy. And let me tell you, that lady throws down the most delicious variety of foods I can imagine, and they're all superb. She's new to the YouTube world, doesn't have very many subscribers, so I urge you to go there, check her out, like and subscribe, send her some love, and tell her Rivet sent you. It's Cooking with Rexy, and I'll put the link below there in the notes on her channel, and up here on the upper right hand corner I'll put the link to her version of these potatoes. Now, oh, they look just so good, it's crazy. Anyway, what we got is some spring onions. We got many patooties. We got both sharp cheddar and mild cheddar cheeses, Frank's Red Hots, Louisiana Hot Sauce, ranch, salt and pepper. And so let me go ahead and prep the potatoes and I'll show you how it's done. Right, so here we got some peeled and rinsed russet potatoes. Oh, I guess it's about 4 or 5 pounds maybe, enough to fill a 9x13 pan. And what we got here is a generous teaspoon of Spanish smoked sweet paprika, half a teaspoon salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper. And now we've got 1/2 cup of butter. That's 1 stick. Okay, and we're going to mix this all well and get it ready to go in the pan. Alright, here we go. It's in a 9x13 Pyrex baking dish. We're going to bake it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Alright, so here we go. After 1 hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the potatoes are looking outstanding. So let's start out with the Frank's Red Hot. Then we're going to use Louisiana hot sauce as well. Okay. Now the ranch. Oh, okay, yeah. That looks delicious. Alright, so now we got the cheese. Now Rexy, forgive me if I'm ruining your recipe, but this is great. It's not as pretty as yours turned out. Alright, so now this is going back in the oven for 5 minutes. And I'll pull it out and join me then. Okay, 5 minutes in. Look at that melty deliciousness. Now let's do some garnish. And we're going to put some spring onions, chives, whatever these things are called, on there. Now she put bacon. Rexy put bacon on hers as well. I'm not going to put bacon on mine. I'm just going to put these green onions. And wow, that looks pretty. Rexy, thanks for your recipe. That's beautiful. Folks, don't forget to go check out her channel, like and subscribe, give her some love, and tell her Rivet sent you. Thanks for watching, people. Take care.